Okay, we turned off Mary's Lake Road and we're heading down Riverside Drive to the Manor RV Park. Manor RV Park is situated here along the Big Thompson River. It's a good sound park. You pull in right here and you check in at the office on the left. They have a couple of rooms that you can rent here in this facility. And we'll enter the park here. They have 115 full hookup sites, combination 30 and 50 amp. They'll fill your propane bottle for you. Little store back there at the office has some basic supplies. There's a little playground area there. We're going to make this circle around here. The first site, 38, right there. These sites are along the river on this side, 38 and 40s. Here's a restroom and shower facility to the right. And all of these back up to the river. They're nice sites. Got a little bit of grass. They have a patio that's cemented where you step out of your RV with a picnic table. And all of these along this side are along the river. So they're highly desirable sites. Probably need to get reservations well in advance for those. And as we continue around the circle, the site numbers are just counting up. We're in the 60s now. We're going to continue on around the circle. And all of these sites are back-end sites. They don't have pull-throughs like most. All of the sites you back in. This fence here separates Manor RV Park from the Spruce Lake RV Park. We have a video on that one too. We'll put a link to it at the end so you can see which one you'd like to stay at. These sites are the 30s. They're also full hookup sites.
There is cable TV and Wi-Fi located throughout the park.
And that was the last of the RV sites. This campground is kind of secluded. So anyway, that was it for Manor RV Park. Hope you like that little look at that park. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And as always, we appreciate you watching. Subscribe to our channel for more RV adventures. And we'll see you next time as we head into Estes Park.